Welcome to Projects for All. My name's Mike, and today we have quite a video, and I'm freaking excited because Skil sent down this cool little cordless screwdriver for us to check out, and we're gonna kick off our very first giveaway. I'm freaking excited because I wanted to do something like this for a long time, and we recently hit 10,000 subscribers. We're on our way to 11,000, and I thought, what a good time to say thank you to you guys for supporting me and supporting this channel and being the best audience anybody could possibly hope for. So let's check this little guy out. It's pretty cool. Stick around. So what do you get with your cordless screwdriver? Here's the package. A couple bits. You get your screwdriver, of course, and you get a charging cable. The owner's manual's in here. Some quick stats for you. 240 RPM, which I find to be the perfect speed to maintain control and still get it done. 22 inch-pounds, USB-C charging in an hour and a half. This one I've had out of the package for a couple weeks now. I used it to put the Flex stack pack together and was really happy with the performance. It's got a very unique design. It fits in the hand nicely, it feels solid, it weighs a little under a pound, and it feels substantial without being bulky and getting in your way. It's got this odd design. There's a button here. Press the button in, and you can move this to 3 positions. So you get straight, obviously, 22.5 degrees, and 45. So 45 degrees, and that little drive shaft still doing its job in there. Kind of hard to show you with the glare, so we can have lights, so we can see what we're doing. It's got a lot of nice overmold on it. It feels grippy. This weird design here is cool. I mean, it gives you the little window, lets you see the drive shaft, but it's all overmold, and it lets you get almost unlimited torque when grabbing this thing. You could really put your fingertips on this and get a lot of torque to turn it. So if you run down your screws with this and then stop it, and this will lock, so as soon as it's not running, you can put a lot of torque on this and you can turn it by hand to get the tightness you need, because as we all know, doing a final tightening with any kind of mechanical device, and it gets fairly inaccurate. 3 torque settings. Pressing this button here will let you select between them, the highest one being 22 inch-pounds. Holding this button will lock the tool, and now the tool won't work. Hold it down, second or two. If you lock it and unlock it, it will return to the torque setting that you had. Love USB-C. Why can't everything be USB-C? It fits in there nice and tight. Feels like good quality. What a cool little screwdriver. 1/4 inch, of course. And rubberized buttons, forward and back. Forward and reverse, I should say. Little LED light. Works well enough. Lets you see what you're doing. Comes with a Phillips and a flathead. Magnetic, of course. And they just fit in there. Being 1/4 inch, you can, of course, put anything in there that's 1/4 inch that you want. So you can use, like, say, this Flex bit holder and use whatever bits you want. If you need a little more reach, you can certainly do that. Or if you need a lot of reach, you could go that route too. It is really only slightly bigger than the ratcheting screwdriver you see me use in a lot of my videos. And honestly, I like using this more than I like using this. Now, I used this for years. I had an orange one, and this was my mom's, which is why it still looks brand new. But, I mean, the size difference is not extreme. And if you got a lot of things to screw down, the little mechanical guy works really nice. Another nice advantage to this design, does not roll off the table, like my friend here. So for long and fine threaded screws like this little guy works nice. It is more convenient than using the old ratcheting screwdriver there. We'll have to get an extension for these because this will not fit in there. This thing is a little chunky. I mean, just a little. I guess you know what, we probably could have fit it in there like that, but we just make it easier on ourselves and throw an extension in there. Same thing here. There is no chance we would get this thing in there, but with a regular driver extension, perfect. This thing certainly has made installing all this hardware for this flex video pretty awesome. You could just use an impact, and that's what I would normally use, but you don't need that much torque to install these little bolts, and a lot of this is set in plastic. So a low torque option is not a bad option occasionally, especially when bolts are goofy long. So you could hit them with an impact and run them down and then tighten them down with the screwdriver, but you get an all-in-one quick solution with the cordless screwdriver. It is strong enough to give it a good twist afterwards. So run it down, hand tighten it, works nice. It's comfortable in the hand. This weird shape put me off just slightly at the beginning, but honestly, it gives you a nice place to put your fingers to get a lot of torque tightening this down. And while it looks odd, it actually works really well. This fits in the hand nice. It gives you very positive grip for torque. Not bad, not bad. I like having my options open when it comes to screwdrivers. I own a lot of screwdrivers, so this one works really well. I'm impressed, I like it. It's gonna run about 30 bucks for this kit here. There's gonna be one that's a little more expensive. It comes with bits. I don't have that to show you, but we got the gist. So let's jump into the other half of this video and check out what you guys could potentially win. How's this for a grand prize? This is not the saw you're gonna win. This saw was bought to replace the one from the video we did that I sold because I'm a fool. This is another one I bought for the channel so we could do some more testing and some more comparisons in the future, and we get a second example to look at here because one example is good, but two are better. You guys are gonna win one that's shipped directly from Skil, and Skil's paying for it. This is a collaboration with them. They offered to allow me to give one of my viewers a table saw. So seriously, thank you to Skil and their parent company, Shervon, not only for always being wonderful people to deal with, but for giving us this small channel an opportunity to do fun, cool stuff like this. So you guys have an opportunity to win one of the coolest little table saws on the market. So you gotta have the word saw, S-A-W, on your comment. You put it as the first word in your comment. The software will pick up your comment and put you in for the drawing to win. Don't forget to do that. You can put whatever else you want in the comment afterwards, but put the word saw first so you don't miss out. And hit subscribe so you don't miss out because you only have 7 days to contact me. I'm gonna notify you in the comments and through the video. We're gonna say your name in the video when we pick the winners. So make sure you are paying attention. You gotta contact me. You'll have 7 days to contact me. Check out all the rules in the description, and good luck to all of you. Thank you so much, as always, for watching, for subscribing, for commenting on these videos. It means the world to me, honestly.